here long. I already helped who I could help, but I'm still here. I'll be like probably taking some pictures real quick, and getting me something to eat. I'll stick around for another 30 minutes. But if y'all are at the Philadelphia Family Courthouse today, you got a case, and you want to know how to get out of your child support, period, just look for me. I put my hair a certain way so y'all can find me if I'm walking. Philadelphia Family Court, child support is extortion. It is a part of a racketeering ring between the court systems, the DMV, and whoever else is involved in messing your life up. The whatever job, corporation you're working for, that's garnishing your check, they're illegally garnishing your check, unless the person that's suing you, who claims that you owe garnishment money, goes to the IRS and get certified documents from the IRS. There cannot be a garnishment legally. You have to fight for it. You have to let them know that you will not tolerate them extorting you. Nobody is exempt from racketeering charges, RICO charges. Nobody is exempt from it. Y'all gonna have to start reading these laws. So what I've been seeing today is most of the most of the child support cases are done here by a magistrate. A magistrate. I guess that's how you properly say it. So a magistrate is sometimes not even a lawyer. I'm not even sure if y'all knew that part. So if you've never even been a lawyer, how can you adjudicate over law? And that's why y'all getting burnt like that, because you don't know the law. You don't know your rights. So in any case, if you have a child support case in Philadelphia, I hate here. I hate being here. Everybody always so fucking angry all the goddamn time. Fuck. Philadelphia Family Court. Okay, so let me see what time it is. It's 10:04 a.m. Philadelphia. I'll give it 30 more minutes. Like I said, today I'm giving out free court filing advice. Yeah, I ain't no fool. I do not give legal advice. I am not a lawyer. I give court case filing information for free today while I'm down here. If you want me to help you with your child support case, after this, my fee is $200 an hour. Period. I will not be giving any discounts. I'm telling y'all now, you can get your driver's license that's suspended, unsuspended. Your ability to get a passport will be, you won't have anything stopping you from getting a passport if your license is not suspended for a debt. If you don't have no debts that you owe, they can't stop you from getting a passport. Once you file these two papers, when you file these two papers, they're going to close your case, and then they're going to remove any debt. It's so much quieter over here. They'll remove any debt that's posted on your credit reporting, so you'll be able to get employment. Child support, it really screws up a lot for the ability for the man or woman to be able to live a certain lifestyle comfortably. So they'll start having health problems and shit because they're trying to keep all these bills covered that they can't keep covered. So it's a lot to it. I just want y'all to know that a magistrate judge is not a fucking judge. You have to do your research on what is an actual judge as opposed to a supervising judge. There's a difference between an appointed judge and a sworn-in judge, an elected judge. So you need to know the different types of judges out there, that if they're going to be ruling over your life, you need to know who's ruling over your life. And just so you know, a magistrate does not have jurisdiction over criminal law neither. I ain't messing with the criminal law right now. I'm just doing child support. So if you want to get rid of your child support, just let me know. And it's really as simple as filing two papers. They'll never tell you that shit. Not even your lawyer that you paying to work for you. Why would he tell you to file two papers if that takes 15 minutes when he can charge you by the hour? So I want y'all to really think about that when you're trying to fight these child support cases. And the goal is to get out of the child support but not stop taking care of your kids. So I don't want nobody to think that I'm teaching you how to just, be a fucking bum and a deadbeat. That's not what I'm saying. The child support between you and your child is between you and your child and the mother. It's not for a corporation to decide or judge whether or not you are a good father or mother, or whether or not what you putting in is financially enough or not. They don't get to decide that. That's a corporation. It's not a heartbeat. So you have to treat all of these. You have to match fire with fire. You got to beat them at their own game. All of this shit is administrative. All of this shit is a taxable event. You can give the mother of your child or the father of your child the totality of child support for their childhood up until I think 25, I guess. You can access your trust by filing tax papers to pay that debt to your child's mother or father, and then you can file a tax return on that you paid. So this shit is not hard. You just gotta want to do it. You need to work together with the person that you had a baby with. If y'all can use y'all common sense, you eat more if y'all work together. You'll eat more. Think about this. You decide from your trust account how much you want to pay that person for that debt. You decide that. And then you turn around and you get a tax return on that debt that you covered from your trust, not money you were compensated for working with your body. See, all of this is Black's Law language. If you've looked at any edition of Black Law Dictionary before the 7th edition, you'll find the true legal terms and what's not really legal in the term of the book. That's what the Constitution was written on. Black laws. So you want to understand the difference between compensated and income. Those are two different things. So if you're being compensated for your work, then you can't be charged a tax on that. You can't use that work money and say I have this amount of income, because that's compensation. Everything is a wordplay. So I just want y'all to know that. But again, I'm about to get off of here. I want y'all to know that child support is fraud, it's illegal, and you can file 2 papers in family court to have your case thrown out, dismissed with prejudice, so it cannot come back up again. But we would have to make an absolute and total agreement that if I help y'all down here for free, that you will include the person you're fighting with so that y'all both all can eat. Now, if you don't have the maturity to understand what I'm saying, that's on you. I'll move on to the next one who can understand. But this is not a woman hating woman or a man hating woman or whatever you want to call it. This is me getting a family in line. The threat is out there. It's not between us. It's not between our bloodline, our family, our tribe. We got to get that shit together. And if y'all be smart and you use your common sense, you can achieve the goals that you think you would have been achieving by using this route of going to these fraudulent racketeering thugs, the mob, to intervene in your raising of your children. Child support is extortion. Remember that. Okay. All right, I'm tired. I did my job today. I'm gonna give me something to eat. I have an alert on my phone, so if y'all are still down here and you need my help, go ahead and send me an email at groundeddolphin@gmail.com and let me know that you're down here and you need me to assist with you. And I'm going to go find some food to eat. I promise, like, tomorrow I'm not going to eat no more because I've been out of control with eating here. So for all the women who, I had a conversation with my sister last night, and she was like, "Whoa, don't teach my ex-husband that shit. He already don't pay no fucking child support." So I don't want y'all to think I'm just trying to get these women to be taking care of their kids by themselves. Like I said, use your common sense. There's an option to pay for everybody to get paid with nobody getting a cut in between. So follow the fucking money. Y'all never pay attention to the money. That's why our people always the last of the race and the behind in the race. So it's up to you to decide which part of this world you want to be in. I can't be in the you playing me side. So I want y'all to read up on the law, the powers of the magistrate, and family court is only supposed to rule over neglect and abuse cases. It does not have power over child support. So all of these things that I'm telling y'all can research on your own. I've given you enough free knowledge, enough information for you to do your own fucking research. And you ain't got to pay nobody to help you. You could just do your own research and file your own paper. It's 2 fucking papers. And if y'all been listening to me, if y'all been listening to me throughout all my videos teaching y'all about this, I've already told you what papers to file. So, yo, I'm like a fucking cat or a dog. I get so easily distracted. Look at these trees. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be down here in a minute looking at shit. City of Philadelphia. Ooh. Wonder what I can get into down here. I feel like fucking with a judge.